In primetime news this evening, uncertainty surrounds the future of Central Westmoreland MP George Wright as JLP meets to discuss assault allegations. Standing its ground, CXC rejects call for a pushback of the upcoming exams, and 3 killed in gun attack in Westmoreland. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the CXC's handling of the exams in light of the pandemic and the volcanic eruption in the Eastern Caribbean? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.